How to fix Instagram not showing new posts problem easily and fast in less than 1 minute. So hello guys, all what you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, go to the apps. Now right here it will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. Or what you have to do after that is scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to this page. Or what you have to do now is click on force stop, go down to the data usage, scroll down, disable all those options of the network access, and then enable them again like this. After that, all what you have to do is go to this storage option. It's a very important step. Click on clear data and clear cache, and then go back to the settings on your phone. This time click on wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. That's it guys. Now all what you have to do is reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe if this video was helpful.